Here's where you can find Zariah's creations on social media. Hey guys, thanks for joining for this week's Playing With Me. It'll go from March 11th through the 17th, ending on St. Patty's Day. So, since St. Patty's is all about luck, I'm feeling kind of lucky and I am going to breeze right through this Playing With Me. And if you want to see how it turns out, stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and then click that notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. And if you like today's video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. So for this week's Playing With Me, I'll be using our colorful boxes and our LOL stickers from Hobby Lobby and maybe a few things from the Gold Star quotes from the Happy Planner. For those of you who are new and may not know my routine, I am going to speed up this video so that I won't bore you with the longevity of it and pop in and chat with you guys in between. Starting now. I feel like I really use my LOL stickers. I have two of these books, and when I went to open them, I have a lot of stickers in here. So I am going to try to use some of them today. And then I have to remember for the future that I have them. And I'm just going to drop this leprechaun money bag because it is payday on this coming Thursday, and I thought that just fit perfectly. Sorry guys if that was too fast, but that was the rainbow sticker book that I pulled into the sequence. I don't know if I planned on using this much green in my spread. I did have an off color or offset color in mind, and apparently I forgot what it was, but green's a good color. From what I was told, green means life, so I guess it's a green spread we'll have. This really looks like it could be it. I would be satisfied with my spread looking like this, but I did get a few requests to do an after the pin. They wanted to see what my spread looked like after I written on it. And the reason why I don't really write, well, I don't take pictures and post of my handwriting is because I don't write as neat as I used to. Now that I work at a computer and I'm typing all day, every day, my handwriting has gotten worse. And I used to write really, really neat. And so now, because my handwriting is sloppy, even holding a pen, I don't like holding pens in my hand for a very long time, that it just gets crazy. So, and then I write all over the place. My fingers are long, so I can't like squeeze things in, and yeah, I just got too much going on. So I try not to do too many, but I'm just going to show a little bit here. So you'll see it pop up that I run for Uber. So I am marking down my Uber dates. I am marking down things like when I go to the gym, if I have an appointment, if I need to make a phone call. I'm just going to put all those on there. If I need to look something up, like this one is research Etsy versus Shopify. I am now considering possibly having an Etsy shop or a Shopify shop. Not really sure. Don't know how I'm going to squeeze time in for that, but I'm just going to do the research. And I had to call for a business license number. Well, I have one business license, but I had to call and get some information on that too. So just jotting those things down so that I'll remember to do them. And then I also have a jewelry business. So you'll see there that I wrote that 7 p.m. I'm going live on tomorrow. And that's just when I showcase the jewelry that I have in my local home boutique. And by it being pay week, I need to do my budget, and I like to review it the same day that I get paid. I kind of already know what the schedule is going to be like, but I still like to go over it before I hit the send button on my payments. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys what pen I'm using. I'm writing with the Micron, and I believe that is a number 5 pen that I'm using on today. Not too thin, not too thick. I actually like the way this one is writing. So now I'm just trying to think of things that I have to do this week and trying to put them in. I got so much going on. I don't know one week from the next. Hence me needing a planner. Alright, so I think that's it. Try to think of everything that I had to do this week. And the more I look at it, the more I'm like, I don't like my handwriting. And so, but I was asked to do a after the pen, so I just dropped that in for you guys. I'm just gonna fill in a few more stickers. I have so many, I need to really start using them, guys. Alright, so I'm going to use that side over there just for a brain dump. But this is it, guys. This is my spread for the week. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to let me know if you're celebrating St. Patty's Day, how you are actually going to celebrate. And until next time, peace and blessings. See ya.